Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to Telegram, here is a beginner friendly overview to help you get started with messaging, groups and more. Once you've downloaded the Telegram app, open the app and follow the setup steps. You will be asked to sign up with your phone number and enter verification code sent via SMS, and after that you can set a profile name and photo. Next, to start chatting, tap on the pencil icon to create a new chat. You will see a list of your phone contacts who also have Telegram. Simply select a contact to start chatting. Just like in any other messaging app, you can send text, photos, videos, documents and more. You can also explore groups and channels by using the search bar at the top of your chat list. Type in a topic you're interested in and you'll see public groups and channels you can join to discuss or stay updated on a specific topic. For added privacy, you can use the secret chat, which offer end-to-end encryption and self-destructing messages. Just start a new chat, select a contact and choose secret chat option. And that's it guys, you're now set to exploit Telegram. Enjoy connecting and discovering new communities. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.